I am Gail Kunch, and I am an assistant professor of biology here at Iowa Wesleyan. My background actually is in secondary education. I was in secondary education for 18 years and then followed up and came here and started teaching here at Iowa Wesleyan this past year. I have a background in all types of biology. I have taught classes from Anat and Phys to environmental science. I've done AP classes. I've actually done 7th and 8th grade classes at one point in time, but I've also done classes in agriculture in the past 5 years. I do belong to the Iowa Academy of Sciences, in which I am the Iowa Junior Academy Chair. So I spend a lot of time working with teachers and students around the state and look at their research, help them with grants, help them get funding for their research as well. And then the last thing, I spend a lot of time with I'm very passionate about working with the World Food Prize Organization. So I spend a lot of time with students preparing research projects, as far as written research projects about food security. I make sure that I get those kids out and realize that this is an avenue that they can get to be stewards of the earth through food, through being a part of something. And so I hope to bring that as well onto the campus. Different programs that I'm actually involved with. First of all, foremost, I'm a biology teacher. So I am going to teach your animal sciences, your plant sciences, or zoology and botany. And I'm also going to be teaching some of your general environmental science classes as well, ecology, different types of ecosystems and things like that. What people don't realize is that when you think biology and agronomy, or biology and agriculture, it's the same thing. And when we sit in Iowa or we sit in the Midwest, we're sitting in a place where biology is out our back door. I do biological and physical research. I work with projects with 6th grade all the way through college level in helping them design experiments, help them design research that is important to them, that they get that chance to do. It's that whole, I'm going to put science into perspective. When I have students that do this type of research, they actually get so much more learning of that science out of what they're doing. It's that hands-on, it's that that personal commitment to what they're learning, and it really brings a whole lot of things. I've been in research since I was in high school, so it's just one of those passions that I do, and I do it for fun, and that's the scary part. I think having those small classes, having those that ability to make the connections with the students and find their passion for what they really want. It's always cool to see a student come into class and we start talking about maybe a topic, and I'm like, encouraging them, hey, let's start a project. Let's look at that. And then you see them every day and they come in. So if I were to do this project, how would I do this? And then they start getting into, hey, it's not just about going in one path or another, but it's opening up even more paths to what they could do, or what could be potentially become some of their jobs or some of their passions in life as well. It really is a one-on-one opportunity. You get the chance to work directly with the professors, and you get your chance to build your program. You can do as much as you want. You can set out and make goals for yourself that are totally different from one student to another. So make the path that you want to go. Make the path that if you want to do biology, but you still want to do something maybe in art, and you can combine those two things together, and we're that small enough that we can foster those ideas and see where those ideas can take you.